Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on a 2011 Acura MDX. It is a family daily driver and they have a small daughter, so expect to see a lot of trash, a lot of fast food wrappers, probably a lot of toys as well. So should be a pretty thorough cleaning, so hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. First thing I like to do is remove all the large items from the vehicle and separate them into a trash bin and a personal items bin. This storage bag on the seat was very tight and gave me a lot of trouble when I was removing it. A hard bristle brush helps loosen up the dirt and debris embedded in the carpet fibers. I highly recommend one. The neighbor's tree is really close to the vehicle, so all the leaves kept on falling into the back seat. I noticed some hair in the back seat on the floorboard, so I used my lily brush and scraped it all up. Did a really good job. I highly recommend one of these as well. I didn't even realize this SUV had a third row of seats, so I pulled them up and took a look, and they were all pretty clean back there, so there was only minimum vacuuming that needed to be done. Using an all-purpose cleaner diluted 10:1 and a detailing brush, it really helps clean up the dirt and crud built up on the dash. to move the shifter, make sure the car's parking brake has been engaged and your foot is firmly pressed against the brake pedal. Otherwise, you may start rolling back and that could be a huge accident. You don't want that. I had a bit of a fail moment here, as you can see my brush falling down onto the ground. I had to go get another one since you can't use this unless it's been cleaned up. The drill brush is excellent for getting these scuffs out of this leather seat. The drill brush can be a little splashy, so make sure you clean up anything you splash around. I love to finish the dash and any trim pieces with 303 aerospace protectant. It leaves a really nice matte finish that's not glossy or slick at all. I like to spray on Meguiar's Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner to help break up the iron and brake dust built up on the wheels. So just spray generously and leave on for about 3 minutes and then hose it all off with a high-pressure water hose. I'm thankful I was able to get the foam cannon to work properly. Using about a quarter cup of Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink and topping with water creates a beautiful shaving cream consistency foam. After foaming the vehicle, it's good to go in with a detail brush to agitate the nooks and crannies such as grills, decals, and wheels. If you guys are interested in any of the products I use, I've linked them all in the description below. It's good practice to use the 2-bucket method. One bucket has your soap solution and the other is a bucket of clean water. Rinse your wash mitt in the clean water and then place it back into the soapy water. This helps with keeping your soap solution from becoming contaminated with dirt and grime from the vehicle. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next detail. And now, aftershots.